To install MicroStation, we want to go to the file that we've downloaded from the Connection Services website. And in this case, we're going to be installing the current or the most current version of MicroStation. So we're going to just click on that and run it as an administrator or just open. I have admin rights, so I'm going to go ahead and open it. Give it a couple of seconds. So it's going to initialize the setup. So here is where we basically, agree to the licensing agreement. But now I also want to cover, let's say we've installed MicroStation before and we've set up a custom workspace, let's say on a network drive. What we want to do is we want to go to configure, and we're basically, this is the default location for MicroStation. If you want to change that, you can, click on these dots and you can actually browse to a customized default location for your MicroStation installation. But we're going to just accept the defaults. We're not going to install the carts or the Lumen RT in this instance, but now we're going to go to our next screen. Now, here is where we tell MicroStation that we have a custom workspace area defined. So we're going to click on custom configuration, that option, and now we're going to actually, this is a delivered location, and I'm going to talk a little bit about that in a minute, but we're going to go ahead and browse to the location of where our custom workspace is. So for me, I have this on a network drive in a different location, and I'm going to go to that location. And so here I have a workspace. This is my VNI workspace. This is my Connect Edition workspace. I just want to show you what's under that folder. So under that folder, I already have configuration, organization, and workspace folder. So basically, I'm just going to accept the Reggie workspace, click, and now you see that path. And this is once again how you would install the workspace files to a custom location in the instance you want to network your workspace for multiple users. So we're going to go ahead and click on next. Here are features that we can add or remove. I'm going to just leave everything on. It's totally dependent on your office or your corporate standards as to what you want to add. So we'll just accept the defaults and we're going to say done. And now I'm going to go ahead and accept the licensing agreement, and I'm going to click on the install button. Okay, I'm going to accept this, and we're going to start the installation process, and we're going to let this run. So basically what we're seeing here is that it's downloading the payload, and as it's downloading the payload from our server, the product is being installed. Okay, so now we see that MicroStation has been successfully installed, and now we have the option to launch MicroStation. So I'll go ahead and do that now.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. If you want to see more such series, consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you, and see you next time.